Well, according to the Indiana Department of Natural Resources, around 150 birds in the state have contracted what's being called songbirds disease. Around 40 counties reported birds showing signs of high discharge and neurological disorders. Now people are asked to remove things like bird feeders and bird baths from their yards. Zeke Torres spent the day learning more about this disease. He joins us. Zeke.
Dana, officials say the first detected case of songbirds disease happened in late May in Washington, D.C. And while Indiana reported their first case on June 1st in Bloomington. Now researchers are currently working to see what's causing this illness and how transmittable it may be. A newly found songbird disease is killing hundreds of birds across the Midwest and East Coast at an alarming rate. Symptoms displayed in birds include eye puffiness, eye discharge, and disorientation.
This is something that is much more distributed throughout the East, and something that, since it is so widespread, that it is alarming to us just because there are so many birds with it.
Allison Gillette, ornithologist with the Indiana DNR, says a majority of diagnosed birds in Indiana have died due to this disease. Currently, it's unknown how infectious songbirds is.
As a result, we are taking the most conservative approach and being as cautious as possible, and just kind of assuming that, yes, it is transmitted through birds having interactions with each other. And so in order to prevent that from happening, we're preventing them from interacting, congregating by taking down the feeders.
Indiana residents are being urged to remove all types of bird feeders and bird baths from their yards to reduce potential spread. Currently, there are 0 confirmed cases in Vigo County. Naturalist Carissa Lovett says failure to comply with the state's recommendation could potentially result in a bird population decrease.
It's very important. The more species we have, the better our environment is. Our ecosystems are healthy and everything. So if we can do something, we need to do it to keep everything healthy and figure out what this is so we can combat it.
Now, anyone who sees a bird displaying these symptoms is encouraged to report it to the Indiana DNR, and you can do so through our website, mywabashvalley.com. Dana?
All right, Zeke, is there any word if this songbirds disease can be transmitted to humans?
Yeah, so as of right now, there isn't, but lab work is still being completed to confirm those results. The DNR is encouraging people to avoid handling birds, but if you have to remove a dead bird, you are asked to wear plastic gloves and dispose of them carefully.